Hello and welcome back to Vibes, Camera and Chaos. If you're in or around Austin and looking for a fun, full-day getaway, come along with me. Today, we're heading to two amazing places in Texas, Fossil Rim Conservation Center and Dinosaur Valley State Park. Yep, animals and dinosaurs, what more do you need, right? It's just a little over 2 hours drive from Austin, perfect for a day trip. We started early, packed some snacks, and hit the road. Our first stop, Fossil Rim. Fossil Rim is not your regular zoo, it's a drive-through wildlife center. You literally get to drive through the park and animals roam freely all around you. No fences, no cages, just you and the animals, with windows down and feed bags ready. We got to feed zebras, deer, ostriches, and, wait for it, giraffes. Yes, giraffes walked right up to our car and gently took food straight from our hands. It was surreal and honestly, super adorable. The whole drive takes about 1.5 to 2 hours depending on how long you stop. There are designated pullover spots and even a rest stop halfway through where you can use the restroom, grab a snack, or enjoy the view. fellow here wanted to surprise me by popping into my window when I was busy clicking pictures opposite the driver's side. In all that wildlife magic, we headed to our next stop, Dinosaur Valley State Park, just about 30 minutes from Fossil Rim. And trust me, this one's just as cool. This park is famous for its real dinosaur footprints, yes, actual dinosaur footprints preserved in the riverbed. You can literally walk where dinosaurs once walked. How wild is that? There are multiple track sites, some are easy to get to, and a few need a little hike, but all are totally worth it. Make sure to wear comfy shoes and maybe water shoes if you're planning to walk in the river. And speaking of water, there's a lovely creek flowing through the park, perfect for a quick splash or even a dip if you're visiting in summer. Kids were playing, people were chilling, it's the perfect cool-down spot after some exploring. If you're looking for something different to do over the weekend, definitely check these out. Let me know in the comments if you've been here or planning to go, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. See you next time!